Ah. Wow, Yuuko. Look. It's a video of Pocoyo, Ruby snoring for 12 minutes.
Really? I can't believe it.
Let's watch it. I bet it'll be hilarious.
Dear. So Lula hasn't got the camera and Pato hasn't got it.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oink oink.
You're right, that never gets old.